So today I'm going to share one of the most traumatic experiences I've had in Germany in the past 2 years. This might come as a surprise to many of my friends as well because I've not really shared this with anybody except one friend of mine who knows about it, and he has really supported me throughout that phase. So I came to Germany in October of 2023, and right in December of 2023 I started doing a part-time job at a supermarket, and my contract was unlimited. On 28th of April I went to work and I asked my buddy who normally used to give me work that what are my tasks for today, and she was like, why are you asking me? Go ask the chef. And so I went to the chef, that is the boss, and I asked him. He told me all the duties that I had to do, and I did them and I went back home. And I felt that something was a little off, but I could not really place it. And then my landlord, who I used to live with before, so what happened was until March I lived with a German landlord and my Anmeldung was done there, and I moved to a student dorm in April, but I hadn't gotten an appointment to do my city registration yet, so my letters used to go to my old place. So my landlord texts me saying that, hey Sakshi, you have a letter from your workplace and when are you going to come to collect it? And I told him I don't really have the time to come collect it, why don't you open it and send me the photo? And then he sends me a text, hey Sakshi, you did not tell me that you got fired from the supermarket. And I was like, what? I did not get fired, I literally went to work today, what are you talking about? And then he sent me the photo, I read it, I translated it of course, and I saw that from 11th of May I no longer had the job, and the letter said that I was fired. 25th April my notice period started and I did not need to show up to work, and I would still get paid until the 11th of May. And I was heartbroken. I started crying. I called my best friend, I told him everything, and then my friend suggested that I should call my chef and ask him why he fired me. So I called my chef, I asked him, and he said that he could not tell the reason on the phone call, but I should stop by at the workplace and he will tell me. So I stopped by at the workplace and he refused to meet me, he refused to entertain me. I spent those 2 days rotting in bed, crying, and just thinking why it was happening to me. I couldn't eat, I couldn't sleep. It was terrible for me. I mean, I really wanted the money, I really needed the job, and I was just very, very heartbroken. And then my friend suggested that I should look at it from a positive perspective. I had not been applying to any internships or working student jobs because I had the security of this part-time job. And then I decided that I'm going to apply to internships and working student jobs now. From 3rd of May to the 13th of May, I did 70 applications in those 10 days, got 4 interview invites, got offered 2 internships, like 1 internship and 1 working student job. And of course, I went with SAP because it was my dream company. And today when I look back at it, I feel very grateful because had I not been fired from that part-time job, I would not have applied to the internship at SAP, and today I would not have the full-time job offer in my hand. So if you are going through any of the difficulties or any traumatic situations right now, whether it is in Germany or back home, please know that good times are coming. This is all for the greater good. Whatever happens, happens for the best. So just keep striving, keep going, don't give up. I'm rooting for you, and let's hope we all make it. Love you all.